Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video on Hayrat's Kitchen. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make AyoYo soup for Tuo Zaafi or ademe soup. So kindly watch this video to the end. I will first pluck the AyoYo leaves from the stem and then wash it thoroughly. In a saucepan, I will add water to it. Next, I will add some kanwa or saltpeter and then add some fish powder. You can as well add shrimp powder. I will add a little bit of water once again and then cover and allow it to come to a boil. I will add the AyoYo leaves. And make sure to let the water cover each and every single piece of the leaves. So here I will allow it to cook for 10 minutes on low heat because we don't want it to overcook. So after 10 minutes, I will pick one of the leaves and then check if it is okay. Once it is okay, I will then blend it using the pause button on my blender for 1 minute and then I will transfer it back into the pot. This is the consistency we want. It shouldn't be too smooth. Add small amount of water, add salt, and here I forgot to add the dawa initially, so I added it now and then I will give it a good mix so everything is well combined. And here you can season it with any spices you want, okay? And here the AyoYo is almost set, so I will allow it to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes and then the AyoYo is ready. Make sure not to let it overcook, if not you will lose the sliminess. So here I was trying to check the seasoning if it was okay. For the AyoYo soup, you can pair it with any swallow of choice, and I am pairing mine with some hot Tuo Zaafi, and I already have the recipe of the Tuo Zaafi and the stew for the Tuo Zaafi right on this channel, and you can check them out, okay? Serve it and then enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on other social media platforms as Hayrat's Kitchen, and the links to them will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.